Hello everyone and welcome back to Cinematography Tips. So today we are back in Apple's Final Cut Pro. So today I'm going to show you how to import your first clips and start editing them. So you have your projects here. I'm working in the same test library in the first event we created in the last video. Go check out the last video if you didn't see it to figure out how to create and properly set these up for your needs. So, what you're going to do to import your first clip. Now, if you have your clip on an SD card or a camera, if Final Cut Pro is open when you plug in the SD card or camera, it's going to open the import window automatically. You can either hit Command-I or go up to this down arrow, which is right next to the three buttons to close Final Cut, minimize, and maximize. Go to the down arrow and click that. Or you can hit Command-I. You're going to see all your devices connected and some folders. Again, some of this is going to be blurred out because of personal information. Right now I have my untitled SD card. And you can see here that these are all the clips on the SD card currently. This is the SD card from my DJI Phantom. So these are all drone clips shot in 2K. So, what you're going to do is say you want to use this clip here. You're going to click it, you're going to go down and import the selected clip. Now, I'm not sure, I want to make sure this is a good length clip. I'm hoping it is. We'll take this 55-second one. No, I want this one. I'm going to take the 27-second one. Hopefully this is good enough. So you're going to go import selected. You can choose to add it to which event you want. I am going to be doing the first event since that's the test one. You're going to copy it to your library. If you uncheck this, you'll have to re-import it, and it will take up less space, but I usually just leave it checked. I usually leave the audio roles alone, the transcoding alone, and the analyze and fix, because I do all this later. So, click Import Selected, and you can see that it starts importing it with this little wheel here. So, I'm actually going to stop from the main plotline of the video here and go up right next to the import button. There's a key, and then right next to that there's it's usually going to be a checkbox. When you click on that, it's going to bring up the background tasks window, so you can see if it's transcoding, importing, management, rendering, thumbnails, sharing, or backup. Normally if it's closed, you'll just see that same little wheel that you saw down here. So if I go and I import a 1-minute 42-second video, you can see this is a loading wheel. If you click it, it's going to give you a progress bar of importing. You can either pause it if you need to do something on your computer, continue it, or cancel it altogether. I'm not going to be using this, so I am going to delete it. So, you have your first clip. Here it is, right here. You're going to want to select it by clicking it once. Make sure all of the thing is surrounded by a yellow box, because if it's like this, you're only going to get like this much of the video. If you want the whole clip, make sure it's selected the whole way through. You're going to click it and drag it down onto the timeline. Now you see these dotted lines here is the live rendering. So now if we go up to our progress box, you can see it is rendering a background render. So what's really nice is Final Cut Pro, as you're working in it, renders, backs up all of this, auto saves for you. Now it doesn't render when you're doing things on the timeline. It pauses that and waits, but it's really nice because if you're working on a nice long movie, say 20-30 minute video or a movie here, you can work on the first half, import some more stuff, do some titles, all of that. It renders that first half, and then when you're working on the second half, it continues to render little bits at a time. By the time you're done, all you have to do is export it. It's all rendered already, which is really nice. So you saw it rendered itself there when I was talking, and now you can press play. Spacebar is play, or you can click play right here. You can see the video is going to start playing here. This was just a simple drone shot I did over some water, which if you're interested in learning how to do, stay tuned. I will be showing you how to do filming with cameras to get better shots later on. So, that is how to import and get your first clip on the timeline. Stay tuned so I can show you how to continue to add clips, make them look good, transitions, all of that. That's going to be in my next videos. But if you guys enjoyed this video and you learned something, give it a like. If you have any suggestions, leave a comment. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you didn't like the video, give it a dislike and let me know why you didn't like it. So I can change something about it so you don't like the next one. So you don't like the next one. But yes, please share and subscribe for more. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.